These carrots are really easy to make. I'm using a pound of carrots and I'm cutting them in half lengthwise. I found rainbow carrots. They are so gorgeous, but you can use regular carrots as well. I just drizzle them with a bit of olive oil and some salt, and then I'm gonna roast them in my 400 oven for 20 to 25 minutes while I make this beautiful sesame seed drizzle that goes over with just some butter, some olive oil, some sesame seeds, some cardamom, and then a little bit of honey. As if these carrots were not sweet enough, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. And then I'm gonna let this bubble for just a minute or so. It's gonna get so gorgeous and the sesame seeds get a little golden. And as soon as those carrots come out of the oven, pour this over the carrots and give it a good toss. It'll sizzle a little bit, and that's gonna become so wonderfully sticky and glazy. I'm digging into these.